In this video, I'm going to show you how to use clean email to eliminate junk email. If you're searching for how to stop junk emails, let me save you some frustration. You cannot stop someone from sending you emails once they have your address. That's just how email works. Even if you hit unsubscribe, a lot of spammers won't honor it. Some of them will even send you more. But here's the good news. You can fully control where those emails go and whether you ever see them. That's what we're going to set up today. I'm Lauren and let's get into it. All right, so the first thing we need to do is figure out what kind of junk you're actually dealing with. Because not all junk email is the same, the fix depends on where it's coming from. A huge chunk of what people call junk email is actually subscriptions. Newsletters you signed up for, promotional lists from stores, alerts from apps. They're not technically spam, but they pile up fast and clutter your inbox. The fastest way to deal with these is using Clean Email's Unsubscriber. Open it from the left-hand menu and you'll see every subscription tied to your account listed in one place. For each one, you have two options. You can hit unsubscribe, which sends an unsubscribe request to the sender and moves future messages to trash. Or you can hit pause, which skips the unsubscribe request entirely and just routes future messages straight to the trash. That's the move for senders you don't trust to actually honor an unsubscribe request. Now, unsubscriber works best for legitimate subscriptions. For aggressive spam from addresses you've never interacted with, we need a different tool. Here's something you probably don't realize about spam. Blocking individual senders doesn't help. Spammers rotate email addresses constantly. You block one and tomorrow the same junk arrives from a slightly different address at the same domain. The better move is to block the entire domain. In Clean Email, go to Auto Clean in the left menu. Make sure the toggle at the top is green. Then click the plus icon to create a new rule. Choose Sender Domain from the Criteria dropdown and type in the domain you want to block. Set the action to trash. Toggle Apply to Existing Messages to green so it catches everything already in your mailbox, and hit Create Rule. Every email from that domain, past and future, goes straight to the trash automatically. Some spam slips through because it doesn't come from one specific sender or domain. It comes from throwaway addresses. But the emails share patterns, weird domain extensions like .xyz or .club. Subject line stuff with words like free, congratulations, or claim your prize. Sender names with prefixes like info underscore or deals underscore, promo underscore. You can catch all of this with AutoClean's pattern matching. Go back to AutoClean, create a new rule, and this time look for the search field labeled subject, sender, or recipient contain. Type the pattern you want to target. Set the action to trash or delete. Toggle Apply to Existing Messages if you want to clean up what's already there, and hit Create Rule. One heads up, AutoClean runs automatically without asking for confirmation, and it can match as little as a single character, so be precise with your patterns. Don't use common words that might appear in emails you actually want. Target specific strings that only show up in junk. You can't stop emails from being sent to you, but you can completely control where they go and whether you ever see them. That's everything you need to stop junk emails and actually keep them gone. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.